In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate page in Canva Resize, change dimensions. By the end, you'll know how to flip your design's orientation and how to change its size without losing your work. This is all done through Canva's Resize feature, which lets you swap width and height to rotate a page, or enter completely new dimensions. Start by opening your design in Canva. With your file loaded, look along the top menu bar for the Resize button. It looks like two arrows forming a circle, and, just a heads up, this feature requires Canva Pro. Click Resize to open the Resize window. To rotate a page, meaning to change its orientation, choose Custom Size inside that window. You'll see fields for width and height. Rotating is as simple as swapping these two values. For example, if your design is 1080 by 1920, switch it to 1920 by 1080 to go from portrait to landscape. When you're ready, choose Copy Resize to generate a brand new file with the new orientation while keeping your original intact. This is the safest option if you want to compare layouts or preserve your first version. If you prefer to change the existing file, choose Resize instead, and Canva will apply the new orientation to the current design. After resizing, give your design a quick review. Elements may shift slightly as the canvas changes shape. Check that text boxes are aligned, images aren't cropped, and any key content still sits comfortably within the safe area of your layout. Now, if you want to change dimensions rather than simply rotate, click the Resize button again. You can pick from the presets, which are handy for common formats like social posts, presentations, or thumbnails, or select custom size if you have exact numbers in mind. Enter your new width and height, making sure the units match what you need. Then choose Copy Resize to make a new file, or select Resize to update the current one. Presets are a quick way to match platform requirements, while custom size gives you total control for print specs or unique layouts. That's it. Thanks for watching.